Alright, yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video I got the 2002 Chevy Astro van out, and I'm replacing the AC line. This line right here, I'm about to replace this, man, because it's busted. I got a hole somewhere down in here. It's been rubbing up against the metal of the car, and just burned a hole through it. I'm gonna show you where it is. All right, that's the line. Right there. That gray stuff, I put that on there. Trying to patch it up, but it didn't work. So that's it right there. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna have to take off this grill so we can get back here to get that bolt loose. It's got a few areas for the screws holding it in, but as you can see, I got some broken pieces here, so we're gonna work with it. I got a whole new grill coming in, brand new one, just because of all of that. So walk you through it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
All right, we want to get the blinker out. Should have two screws here. Undo those. All right, as soon as we remove that, screw up in there, and that's for both sides now. And then you get that screw, and this one here, on here. All right, I'm able to get it back now. Once I got those out, I had to get that one too. I didn't take that out. I was able to just pull it back. Now we can get that here. All right, we got that off. And back here, we got a bolt. That bolt right there. Got to get that guy. Deep socket. I believe it's 13, but I'm going to make sure. So that's going to be a 14 mil deep socket. Here's a stubby ratchet. Alright, get over here and break that free. I'm not sure what size that is, but these will do it. Alright, got that in off. Alright, now it normally has this here, this bracket, but I'm not attached to it. So you'll have to get that bolt out. You can see I'm not connected to anything, and I'll be able to pull this right out. Alright, we got that in out. Now we gotta pull the rest, get the rest from the front. Pull that out. Get that up through there. Alright, now we can pull that straight through. Alright, that's it. Show you where we was leaking at. Right there. Tried to patch it up, but that didn't work. It's a nice crack there. Alright, we going in. Alright, pull that through, duck that up under there. Alright, got it mounted and ready. Go ahead and put this in. All right, we got that in there. Come over here. Got to go back inside and route that through. All right, we get that through. Tighten that guy up. All right, so this part of the line is that bracket, and I'm not sure where it goes. It goes somewhere, one of these probably. All right, we good. Go ahead and recharge. Now that AC compressor should kick in shortly. There we go. Alright, I'm hoping I don't need to replace this AC compressor because it's just cutting on and cutting off. That's all I got, so gotta do some more work, but it is holding. It's holding the Freon. It's not leaking out like it was. So yeah, man, till next time, Pull Up King.